Whatever kind of outdoor space you've got, whether that's a balcony, a roof terrace, or even just a window box, I can guarantee that there's probably a bit of room for a Euonymus. This is a Euonymus Japonicus, we call him Jasper, and this one is a Euonymus fortunei, known as Emerald. Both of them are really great, and I don't think they get quite enough attention. They grow quickly and they're low maintenance, and they're pretty happy in most sites and soils. In fact, there's not much that either of them dislike, but you will get bonus points if you keep them in a spot that gets a bit of sun during the day. You can try planting a few of them in a row for a makeshift windproofed hedge, which is great on a balcony, or they'll run up a trellis pretty quickly as well. And they look great if you just want to plant them up individually. Euonymus can be a total haven for vine weevil, and this is something that we talk about in our urban gardening course, and it's really not a big deal. But if you start seeing little semicircular nodges appearing in your leaves, there's a good chance you might have an infestation. It's easy enough to cure. Otherwise, they really are pretty trouble-free, and you can guarantee green foliage in your outdoor space all year round.
For more information, check out the Patch Urban Gardening course. It's available on their website.